I want y'all to wake up and answer this question. How could you possibly see yourself really working hard at focusing on the future when you're still consumed in the past? How is it possible that your mind, your spirit, and your physical body could ever do anything in the future to walk in the direction of all things moving for your future when you're consumed in the past? How is it possible for you to be focused on the future when you're consumed in all things, people, and situations of the past? I am not one to tell people to cut off their friends from the past just because. There is a such thing as moving in the direction of the future with people from the past. But it's important to understand this one thing. Are the people of the past in the right mind state for the future? Are the people from the past like-minded as to what you're trying to do and accomplish and achieve for the future? If you're dragging dead weight from the past into the future and the plan of the future, you're going to find that they're going to try to talk you out of things, people, situations, and moves that you're trying to make to move in the direction of your future. Understand it. How could you focus on the future, moving dead weight from the past into the future? You're operating at your capacity.
You have a great life in front of you, but your great life is in front of you. It's not behind you. What you did back there ain't got nothing to do with what God got for you. What you did back there was learn the lessons to get you to where you are at this particular moment right here. Do you know, man, that you can actually mess your life completely up? You can jack it all the way up and you can turn around and get it right. Do you understand that you cannot have a degree and still be just fine? I lost everything twice. I don't know if you've ever lost everything before, but I've been bottomed out twice. I done seen rock bottom 2 times. I've been through some walls up in here, man. I'm just trying to tell you, man, God is really with you. God is in the forgiving business. You can make all the mistakes you want to make or think you shouldn't make. God is in the get it together business. If you got dreams and visions, I got news for you. God is in the make your dream come true business. He did it for me. How he won't do it for you? I am a flawed human being, but guess what? You are too. You ain't got it all together. I dare you to say you do.
There's always someone who's dealing with something more hurtful than you, deeper than you, in a situation that's worse than yours. But we only feel our pain, our hurt. And we all are dealing with something different every single day. And you feel your pain is worse than someone else's pain because it's real to you in your life. But there's something I want to tell you today. I don't know why you lost your job. I don't know why your child died. I don't know why you lost your home. I don't know why your marriage failed. I don't know why you lost everything. But what I can tell you is that if you don't give up, if you keep fighting, if you keep pressing, if you keep stepping one foot in front of the other, no matter what it takes, no matter how hard it hurts right now, you press through. You keep running. You keep getting up. You get knocked down, get up again. This thing that we call life is not easy. Every single day can be hard, but it's all in your mindset. You can look at it as being hard, or you can look at it as being a challenge. Any challenge you can overcome. But anything that you look at as failure can keep you down.
Everybody wants to hang out with people that you know. Most of us are stuck. Most of us love to be around and hang with familiar people and familiar places and situations. But how could you focus on the future if you're holding on to every aspect of the past? They say it's lonely at the top. I say it's not lonely at the top if you help somebody else get there. But it is lonely at the top when you find that in order to get to the top, you have to climb up that ladder and look down upon the people that you used to socialize with and hang out with. Because the past represent the past mind state. The past represent past intentions and who you used to be. The past is not the future. You have to look at people, things, and situations in your rearview mirror as you drive your car into the future of who you are destined to be. Now, guess what? When you cut people off because you're now focused on the new you and your future, it doesn't mean that you're beefing with them. It doesn't mean that you have conflicts and wars and that they've robbed and stole something from you. That's why you're going to stop fucking with them. It's about distancing yourself from these people, things, and situations so that you can focus, mold, and shape and develop your plan for the future.
Everybody tripping through something. Everybody, I don't care who you are, you're going through something. But if you got God, you can make it. I'm just telling you this little piece of information. And you want to be happy, but you got to get there. It's a shortcut to getting there. The shortcut to getting there is the relationship with God. If you try it without Him, you're going to fail miserably. You're going to sink, man. It's going to be ugly for you. Now, this is what you got to do. Identify your gift and get busy with it. God gave all of you a gift. Identify your gift. It is the thing that you do the absolute best with the least amount of effort. That's your gift. Get busy at that. He put that gift inside of you. He didn't hide it under a rock or put it under the mountain or put it on the mountain somewhere. He put the gift in you. That's how you become successful. Identify your God-given gift, what He gave you at birth. If you do that, God will open up the windows of heaven.
There's no way to be successful. Most people who make it will tell you, I had those bad days. I had those ups and downs, the hills and valleys that I had to go through. And that's the only way you're going to make it. So I don't know and I don't care what you're going through right now. Because that's exactly what it is. You're just going through it right now. But you're going to get over it. You're going to overcome it. You're going to be stronger after this. So don't just focus on what you're dealing with or going through right now. Because this moment, this obstacle, is going to push you. It's going to raise you to another level that you've never seen yourself at before. And once you get there, you'll be able to tell the next person what you went through, what you had to go through. But you survived. You came out better the other side. Whenever you're down, there's always a way up. But you have to see it and you have to know that you can accomplish any and everything that's put in front of you.